Anyway, thank y'all for the likes, the comments, and the subscribers. We had about 65 subscribers right now. We on the road to 500. But this is a 2021 Dodge Durango RT. If this your first time watching, straight pipe, as you can hear it. We about to get on the highway. I'm about to wake her up right quick. This is the Black Pearl. About to cut up on the highway right quick. Hopefully we don't have a lot of traffic. There's traffic on the other side. We'll see. Pop that open for y'all. Just gonna open her up, man. I got a lot of things coming on this channel. I'm a dad in my 20s, late 20s. I sports gamble. We're gonna start a family channel. Yeah, man, just follow me on the journey to go scat right there, y'all. Somebody with a scat told me my 5.7 sound like a scat. What I did, I watched a lot of YouTube videos, and I didn't want an X pipe, and I just didn't want like just a regular straight pipe. Yeah, Slim, look at him. Got that wicked big spoiler.
I like the side of it. It looks like a bee or something.
Yeah, that's what a scat is. Yeah, I had looked on YouTube, right? And I didn't want an X pipe because it was loud. It was like I had a higher pitch. So I wanted something with like a deeper tone. So I saw this one guy's video. If I remember what he is, I'm gonna throw him up here. Shout out to you, bro. He had the H pipe with the these resonators. I think they was the Magna Flow resonators. I went with the Dynamax race bullets instead of the Magna Flow. But I be getting a lot of like pops and bangs, and I don't have the I don't even have the burble tool. Like when I upshift, sometimes it'll pop. Yeah, man, I got the H pipe on here. It sounds sweet. Cutting up with a Subaru, y'all.
You don't like on your ass a little bit. It's because it's smaller.
Yeah, it goes fast. Nowhere near 5,000 pounds. What's going on? Show the accident. Somebody getting pulled over.
Oh, no.
Did all that to pull somebody over? Oh, y'all, we got some traffic. We about to order this food right quick. And I might throw that in the vlog. I don't know. Y'all don't be messing with just my regular vlog content. Y'all only like the car content. So I might just throw a little snippet in there and let y'all see. We about to go to this pupusa place. We about to double back to this pupusa place we went to yesterday. It's a YouTuber from Maryland. His name Peaks 100. Good reviews. I trust him. He recommended this pupusa place. So we about to double back at these poo tacos. My girl love the pupusas, so she gonna get the pupusas. But yeah, man, once we get out this traffic, I'm gonna cut the camera back on. This is where I got my truck from. This is where I got Black Pearl from right here. At Eastern Motors. Your job, your credit. Yeah, I'll be pulling up on the famous poo tacos.
Crack tacos. Papoose definitely got something in there.
My grandma in there crushing. Trying to put the seat back a little bit. Crushing them Utz chips. Hey, why y'all beeping? You can't go nowhere.
Look at her.
Standstill traffic. They'll be like, y'all back? Yeah, we back. Going the same though, right? Yeah, right here used to be a strip club, like a little white strip club, and I used to go to elementary school back there. It's a little weird. Crossing the street. Wow, Jeep. Yeah, we pulling up on these poo tacos. This joint right here, they got the tacos for $1.50 on Tuesday. We'll definitely be back Tuesday. Then they got the little pastry joint. You know the cakes and stuff is good. This right here, this is Angel's Carry Out, Angel's Restaurant, whatever you want to call it right here. Under the Pop Seafood. This joint is fire. I'm about to park Pearl up. We got a little bit of time left, I think. I don't know, I might take some thumbnails right quick. Alright, y'all. These the poo tacos right here. Steak, chorizo, chicken, and mommy got some pupusas. We're gonna show y'all those later. Yeah! Hey, if y'all thinking about getting a Dodge Durango RT, and y'all worry about if it's fast enough, bro, 9 times out of 10, you're not doing 120 and over nowhere in the public. All you gotta do is just get up like 70, 80. But you're not using all that power, man. Yeah, it's cool to have. But you're gonna be at the gas station every day. Niggas gonna be trying to take your car. Hey, we got traffic, y'all. Hey, it's fun while it lasted. I'm gonna get back with y'all. Bro, it's 3 o'clock on a Saturday, bro. Go home. Talking like I'm not outside getting food. Alright, yeah, I'm gonna cut y'all back on when I do something else. Man, this minivan been right here for a minute. stop recording.